So this is our new car that we just got. This is a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This one here is the LE, or what is it again? I forgot.
It is an LE, but that's not, doesn't mean limited edition.
So you can see here we got these new like running boards. I'm not going to show the license plate for privacy reasons. There's a back windshield wiper. You have a Toyota emblem in the back. We must say that this car is really good, actually. We just picked it up today at the dealership. So, you have these, the arm thingies that you pull down on the, air vents. There's the controls right there, you can see. There's the back, which has some more seating. This is an 8-seater. See there. Okay. This car does come with heated seats. Do you know if all the seats are heated?
As far as I know.
You can see there. We also got our own mats. You can also recline the seats. These are your window controls. The handle. Okay. Now we're gonna go in here and see the inside. You have all of your other extra controls. Right there. And then this is the steering wheel. See all the controls.
See, there's the indicator showing that the door is open.
Yeah, great feature. I will say this is the most high-tech car we've had. We're gonna replace our 2002 Honda Odyssey. More storage. What do you do?
No, that's the top one you pull up. That one. No, not that one, the other one. Here.
Okay, with that. Storage. Stick shift. Drink holders. Got some more stuff in there. You can hook up a smartphone. More storage here. This is the console. We did not get a sunroof with this car or a GPS. But this car does come with. Is it lane powered assist?
Lane assist, yep.
Okay. And then you have all your controls. This car does have Bluetooth. Mirror, and you can store your glasses. Lighting. This thing actually goes down, and then you can open it. Quite slick. There's a passenger seat, and there's the glove box. You can lock it up if you want to. More storage. Airflow controls, fan speed, temperature. I must say that this car is very impressive. So we're gonna be. Okay, so we're not planning, or my parents pulled a trick on me that we were taking this car only for a test drive. One thing I forgot to mention was that this car comes with cameras. There's one right there, and another one in the back. That right there is the lights right there, you can see. So overall, this is not a bad car at all. I'm very impressed with this SUV. I will be making a tour of the 2002 Honda Odyssey in the future, possibly tomorrow. So anyways, that's it.